We know that a strong immune system can wipe out cancer cells too. So, what are some immune boosting foods that you can eat to beat cancer?
Meet Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned physician, researcher, and pioneer in the field of food as medicine. His revolutionary work on angiogenesis, metabolism, and disease prevention has transformed how we view everyday nutrition. But when it comes to cancer, Dr. Lee reveals a profound insight, one that's both terrifying and hopeful. While genetics and environmental factors often take the blame, he highlights something far more within our control, the food we choose to eat every single day. And ignoring this truth could come at a devastating cost. The good news? Every bite is a chance to fight back. In this video, we'll uncover 3 powerful P's that Dr. Lee believes may help your body resist cancer naturally. These aren't exotic superfoods or overpriced powders. They're simple, colorful foods you'll recognize immediately, yet likely never saw as cancer-fighting allies. But before we reveal them, let's understand why food matters. Cancer doesn't explode into existence overnight. It develops slowly, fueled by chronic inflammation, impaired immunity, and abnormal blood vessel growth. And here's where diet plays a key role. The right foods can help starve tumors of their blood supply, boost natural killer cells, and create an environment in your body where cancer cells struggle to survive. Dr. Lee's research shows that nature has given us tools, not in pharmacies, but in our kitchens. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with any questions about your health or a medical condition. So now, let's explore the 3 P's you can eat that may help protect your body from cancer. Starting with one you've probably seen, but never truly appreciated, the purple potato.
So, good news. There's foods that can kill cancer stem cells. Like what? Like purple potatoes. All right, the anthocyanins that make purple potatoes purple kills colon cancer stem cells.
What if something as simple as a potato could help your body fight cancer? Not your average white potato. The kind we're talking about is rich, vibrant, and purple like royalty. You've probably seen it in the grocery aisle and walked right past it. But hidden inside its colorful skin may lie powerful compounds that could make a real difference. Dr. William Lee, a leading physician and researcher in cancer metabolism, has spotlighted this humble food for its potential anti-cancer properties. In a world where cancer seems to be everywhere, on our plates, in our families, knowing a food this ordinary might help protect your body, that's not just surprising, it's empowering. So, how can a purple potato possibly help your body stand up to cancer? The secret lies in its color. That deep, vibrant purple comes from a class of plant chemicals called anthocyanins, natural pigments also found in blueberries and red cabbage. Anthocyanins act like little warriors, fighting off oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 known triggers in the development of cancer. In one study, purple potatoes were shown to reduce the growth of colon cancer stem cells in lab conditions. The study found that compounds in purple potatoes help suppress these cells by lowering pro-inflammatory signaling and boosting a tumor-suppressing gene called P53.
One additional thing that I think is absolutely brilliant about purple potatoes, and the research that has been done on them in a lab, is that purple potatoes actually have been shown to kill cancer stem cells.
Dr. William Lee recommends eating a wide variety of colorful vegetables, and purple potatoes are a standout. But don't boil them into mush. That can cause the nutrients to leach out. Instead, try roasting them. Here's a simple idea. Slice purple potatoes thin, toss with a teaspoon of olive oil, sprinkle some rosemary and sea salt, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. You get crispy edges, vibrant color, and a deliciously earthy flavor. You can also cube and air fry them as a side or toss them into a salad to add texture and a cancer-fighting pop of color. Just remember, variety matters, and these should be part of a broader, whole food diet, not your only strategy. But as far as tasty allies go, purple potatoes are worth a spot on your plate. With this, let's move to another strong and delicious cancer-fighting food. But before we move on, If you are looking to dive deeper into the foods that can prevent cancer, be sure to subscribe to the Vitazen Health newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Next cancer-fighting pea, recommended by Dr. William Lee, is none other than pomegranate. You've seen it in juices, salads, maybe even skincare. But did you know the ruby red pomegranate might hold powerful properties that could help your body defend itself against cancer? With every juicy burst, this ancient fruit delivers more than flavor. It delivers hope. Dr. William Lee calls pomegranate one of nature's pharmacy foods because inside those tiny seeds are compounds that don't just nourish your body. They may help it resist disease. It's not magic, it's science. So how can something so sweet play a role in something as serious as cancer prevention? The answer lies in pomegranate's unique polyphenols, especially one called elagitannin.
These seeds in pomegranate juice are packed with bioactives. These are naturally occurring chemicals that give foods their biological punch. Okay, this is what you eat to beat disease. Are these foods with these bioactives, and in pomegranate, they're called elagitannins.
When you eat pomegranate, you're not just nourishing yourself, you're feeding your gut microbiome in a remarkable way. This vibrant fruit is rich in elagitannins, natural polyphenols that aren't fully absorbed in your stomach or small intestine. Instead, they travel to your colon, where specific gut microbes break them down into powerful compounds called urolithins. These urolithins have been shown to possess strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. But their benefits don't stop there. They also serve as fuel for one of the most important gut bacteria, Akkermansia machinophylla. Dr. William Lee emphasizes the significance of Akkermansia in maintaining gut integrity and reducing systemic inflammation. This unique microbe thrives by feeding on the mucus lining of your gut, not degrading it, but actually helping to rebuild and strengthen it. Higher levels of Akkermansia are linked to lower risks of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic diseases. By eating pomegranate, you naturally support the growth of this guardian microbe, enhancing your gut barrier, promoting metabolic health, and protecting against disease. According to Dr. Lee, this is a prime example of how the right foods can empower your body's defense systems, starting deep within your microbiome.
The groups of responders, people who did well versus people who didn't do well for immunotherapy, except for one thing. That one thing was one bacteria, Akkermansia mucinophila. Well, it turns out that there are certain foods you can eat that grow Akkermansia. What are those foods? Pomegranate.
One study showed that pomegranate extract could suppress the growth of prostate cancer cells and even slow their spread. The researchers found that pomegranate compounds interfered with signals that cancer cells use to multiply and invade nearby tissues, almost like cutting off their communication lines. Pomegranate's effects may extend beyond just one type of cancer. Because it works by reducing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, it has the potential to protect multiple systems in the body. Think of it as creating a healthier internal landscape, one where cancer finds it harder to take root. Of course, no single fruit can do it all, but when included regularly in a diverse plant-based diet, pomegranate stands out as a powerful research-backed choice worth savoring. Hold up. Did you know inflammation is one of the biggest causes of cancer, heart disease, and aging? And most people are making it worse with what they eat. That's why I put together the Anti-Inflammation and Immunity Smoothie and Juice Guide. 80-plus science-backed recipes designed to stop inflammation, boost immunity, and help your body heal. Grab your copy now from the video description below. Dr. William Lee recommends enjoying pomegranate in its whole food form whenever possible. Skip the bottled juices packed with added sugar. Instead, go straight to the source. One easy way is to sprinkle fresh pomegranate arils over a bowl of Greek yogurt with walnuts and a drizzle of honey, or toss a handful into a spinach salad with citrus and avocado for a burst of flavor and color. You can even freeze the seeds and blend them into smoothies for a tart kick. Want something warm? Add them to roasted vegetables near the end of cooking. They'll burst with juice and add a surprising pop. Just half a cup a few times a week can introduce these potentially protective compounds into your routine. The key is consistency and variety, because your body fights best when it's nourished on many fronts. It's sweet, tropical, and often overlooked, but beneath its orange flesh, papaya may hold a secret weapon in your body's battle against cancer. You won't see it headlined like kale or blueberries, yet Dr. William Li includes papaya among his cancer-fighting picks, and for good reason. In a world where toxins, stress, and inflammation create the perfect storm for cancer to take hold, what you eat could tip the balance in your favor. And papaya, with its exotic flavor and unique chemistry, may do just that. What gives papaya its potential cancer-fighting power? It's a mix of powerful antioxidants, particularly lycopene and beta-carotene. These compounds work like bodyguards at the cellular level, protecting your DNA from damage caused by free radicals. That's critical, because damaged DNA can lead to mutations, and mutations can lead to cancer.
As has been shown to actually lower the risk of lung cancer. Now, why is that? Well, that red color in papaya contains carotenoids, something called beta-cryptoxanthin and beta-carotene, and these actually are also anti-inflammatory, and you guessed it by now, you get the drift, it's actually anti-angiogenic as well.
One notable study evaluated the effects of papaya seed extract on cancer cell lines. The researchers found that papaya extract inhibited the growth of several tumor types, including cervical, breast, liver, and pancreatic cancer cells. And lycopene, the star antioxidant in papaya, has been studied separately for its potential to reduce the risk of prostate and gastric cancers. It doesn't work like a drug. It doesn't attack, but it may create an internal environment less friendly to inflammation, cell mutations, and abnormal growth. Papaya is like a gentle detox for your system, cooling the fires of inflammation, nourishing your gut, and providing nutrients that may help your cells function at their best. It's not a cure, but it might just be quiet protection, bite by bite. Dr. William Li emphasizes eating whole fruits, and papaya is a perfect example. To get the most from it, choose a ripe papaya, one that gives slightly when pressed and has a sweet aroma. Slice it, remove the seeds, and drizzle with a squeeze of lime. For breakfast, pair papaya cubes with plain yogurt and a few chia seeds. For lunch, try it in a tropical salad with cucumber, mint, and a light vinaigrette. Even better, blend it into a smoothie with a bit of ginger and lemon. It's refreshing and gut-friendly. Eating just 1 cup a few times a week could offer your body those helpful antioxidants. Keep in mind, the key is variety. No one food does it all, but papaya might be one more ally on your plate. So, that was all for the 3 powerful pea foods that may help your body fight cancer. But even with the right diet, there might still be a missing piece in the puzzle. Something just as important as what's on your plate, because your daily lifestyle habits can either strengthen your defenses or silently fuel disease. So join us in the next video, where we'll uncover simple yet powerful lifestyle changes that can support your body's natural ability to resist cancer, from reducing chronic inflammation to boosting immunity.